Hello everyone, my name is Eloi Sanchez, a senior developer and a Web3.js ambassador. Today I'm going to show you how to make use of the Web3 plugin from Chainstack. This video is made mainly for Web3 developers who want to simplify their interaction with the Chainstack platform. By the end of this video, you will learn how to use this library in order to ease the interaction with your Chainstack account. To properly follow this guide, I would suggest to have an intermediate level of how JavaScript works. And please, don't forget to follow Web3 on Twitter in order to stay up to date with the latest news and join our Discord channel so you can meet other Web3 developers and discuss any doubts. So, with no further ado, let's start coding. First of all, we should create a folder or directory to place our project. For that, we should do mk dir and the name of our project. I will just choose this name, but the name is completely up to you. Enter. We create our project. Now let's cd inside the project. cd Web3 plugin Chainstack. Perfect. Now let's initialize the project. npm init this flag -y. It's just basically to use all the default values in the package.json. Okay, you got everything. Perfect. Let's open the project in Visual Studio Code. Okay, great. For the sake of simplicity, I'm going to use the integrated terminal, so we don't need to be switching Windows constantly. Okay. First of all, what we have to do is to install, of course, Web3 and the library indeed, which actually I will place the post the link to the library on the video description. No worries. So let's go. Okay, coolio. We got our dependencies already installed. Perfect. Now we will need to create an index file, a main file basically. For that we use this command touch. With this command you can create any kind of file. In our case we will do touch index.js. Perfect. Okay. So to start, first of all, as always, we need to do import Web3 from Web3. Perfect. Now we will need to import a method from the ChainSafe library. For that, we will need to do import Chainstack plugin from, and hopefully there is some autocomplete. Yeah, okay, now perfect, great. Okay, next step is that we should create an asynchronous function as a main function. Main. Okay, perfect. And now we will need to initialize Web3 with an endpoint. In that case, we're going to use, give me a second, we don't need these guys here, but here we need an endpoint. I will just leave it as well on the video description, no worries. This is the mainnet from Chainstack, from Ethereum, sorry. So, next step, what we need to do is to create an auth object. For that we will do Chainstack, for example, auth equal, okay, and here we need to place the API key. For that I will do key, and I will create a .m file here. I will share with you the link on the description of how to get the API key. Once you place the API key in your M file, I will suggest to do this following command, so you will be sure that the variables unload. Okay, perfect. So next step, what we have to do is to register the plugin. Okay, for that we're gonna do web3.register plugin new, we call this method, and then we pass the auth object as a parameter. Perfect. Okay. And now, for example, we could do information about the nodes. Node info. We have to do a wait. Okay. Web3. Just Chainstack. Get nodes. And now we should be able to see all the nodes. And we just call here the main function. Actually here, let's do node to execute the file. Let me just make this thing bigger. Okay, let's go up. Yeah, okay, same thing. So remember that when you're using ES modules, you should add this key value on package.json, basically to tell the project that we're using ES modules and not common.js. Let's try now. Wait a second. Okay, and there is a problem with this P. Okay, let's go now. Perfect. We got all the information about the nodes, but not just the nodes. We can also, for example, do, I don't know, get organization, for example. Let's see. Get organization. Okay. Let's see. Perfect. That's just me because there is no one else. Okay. Now we got the output. Let's do, for example, the network. Okay. Let's do get network. Okay. Great. This one it's not working. I don't know why, but it was networks, if I'm mistaken. Yeah. Perfect. This is the network that we're using according to this endpoint, Ethereum mainnet. There is another way to access to the platform, actually just manually adding your credentials here instead with an API key, but I will show you that in the next video. And of course I will leave the official documentation of this library on the video description, so you can check all the methods that you can make use to access the Chainstack platform. In this video, we learn how to use this Chainstack plugin in order to allow developers to retrieve information like organization name, project name, network, node, and identity details. Please follow Web3 on Twitter in order to be up to date with the latest news and join our Discord channel. Stay tuned because we are going to release lots of cool videos in the upcoming weeks. Looking forward to talk to you soon and take care.